Children, Fantoosh has added new pictures to his photo album. He wants your help in adding labels to the pictures. What is Fantoosh doing here?
Putting away his toys.
What is Fantoosh doing now?
He's sweeping the floor.
And what's he doing now?
He is washing dishes.
What's he doing with all those clothes?
He's folding them.
Oh, Fantoosh is at the window. What is he up to?
Fantoosh is cleaning the window.
Oh, Fantoosh is with his baby brother. What's he doing?
Fantoosh is helping his baby brother. I am putting away my toys. I am sweeping the floor. I am washing dishes. I am folding all the clothes. I am cleaning the window. I am helping my baby brother.